How to log in to Disney Plus account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your Disney Plus account. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser. Now search for disneyplus.com. Once you're on this website, if you don't have an account, click on sign up now. If you do, click on the login option in order to be logged into your account. Now the first step is to enter your email address. Once you do that, click on the continue option. Next, you want to enter your password. Make sure that your password is correct. Now click on the login option. Once you do that, if your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you have not completed your subscription or any other process, then it's directly going to take you to that process. Once everything is done, you can start exploring the Disney Plus website, and this is how you can log into Disney Plus account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.